And here's Squishy Puppy today saying hello to everybody. Hi there. And here goes the darling, awesome Hameedo in his car. There he is. He's got an amazing car as well. Isn't he adorable? His car is so flexible. He can change design as well. This is amazing. I need to do things. Oh. And that's Squishy Puppy. They're lovely friends right here. And there they go together now. A lovely ride, as you can see. Wee. Wee. So much fun. I can't believe it. Right? And a beautiful sports car. This awesome guy right here, as you can see. Squishy Puppy's excited about all this little tiny, teensy, weensy thingies. And guys, here's my color haul from the Dollar Store highlighters, which I do use on my canvas for paints, as well as these permanent markers, which do a great job as well. Faber-Castell has been for a long time. You can check it out on YouTube, Faber-Castell. They are the best, and you better believe. And of course I have these, the Flower Super Glow neon colors as well. So you can use them on canvas as well as on paper or elsewhere. And of course this is awesome wallpaper I can use on furniture or whatever I want. So the walls are on your desk to make it glowing and beautiful. So anyway guys, have a beautiful, awesome day brought to life from UAE.